Hello student. In today's session, we start how to use natural sine table, natural cosine table and natural tangent table. So if you understood the first one, definitely you understand the next two also. So let me start with the first table, natural sine table. Now basically in a log book, you can see a natural sine table. So you can see a first column. In a first column, the angle is written. It is in degree. So the angle is in degree. Now here, in this is the first column for angle 0 degree, 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree up to this 90, or you can see up to 89 also in some table. Now here in a first row you can see here it is 0.0 degree, 0.1 degree, 0.2 degree, 0.3 degree, 0.4 degree, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8 and 0.9 degree. So you know that 1 degree is 60 minutes. So here basically 0.1 degree means 6 minutes, 0.2 means 12 minutes and so on. And this is the main difference. You can see this is the main difference part. So it is 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, 4 degree and 5 degree. So when we are going for the 6 degree, so it is changing to the next one. Now, because 6 minute means 0.1. 6 minute means the 0.1 degree. Now let me see here how to use this table. Generally, we have to use in a this table in a problems. Basically, we require this table in physics problems. So let's see some examples. So it is clear how to use this table. Now you can see some examples here in a table. So we have to find out sine of this 34 degree 18 minute. You can see the first example. Second example is sine 4 degree 19 minute. Third example is sine 14 degree 29 minute. So for that, we have to take use of this natural sine table. So you can see a natural sine table. Now, when we have to see this sine of 34 degree, so we have to refer the line of 34. So this is 18 minute. You can see this 18 minute. So in a line of 34, we have to refer a line of this 34 and under 18 we have to see. So you can see this number. And this is the answer. You remember one thing here, in natural sine table, all the numbers are in fraction. You can see here the first number. So it is written 0.5592. The first number you can see it is written 0.5592. 0.5592 means, so in that row, all the numbers are in 0 point. So here, we have to write the answer here, 0.5635. This is the answer. So here we find out sine of 34 degree 18 minute or sine of 34.3 degree is also same, because you know that 18 minute means 0.3 degree. So if it is given sine 34.3, then we have to see in a line of 34 under this 0.3. So for this number, sine 34 degree, sine 34.3 degree and sine 34 degree and 18 minute both are same. Now after that, the next one. Next we have to see sine of this 4 degree 19 minute. We have to see sine of this 4 degree and 19 minute. Now again we have to refer a table of this 4 degree. So you can see here I displayed now a table of this 4 means line this 4 degree. So in a line of 4 degree under 19, but you can see here is the first row. So here 18 is written, after 18 directly 24. Now, so 19 you are not getting directly. So we can see 18. 18 plus 1, this 18 plus 1 is the 19. So I can write, I can see here in a line of this 4 under this 18, And in same line under 1, whatever return that we have to add these two numbers, this and this. Main difference we have to add here. Now this 0750 plus 3, 0753. So it is coming 0753, and all the numbers are in fraction. You can see here the first number point is written before that. So I have to put the point before this. So this is the answer for sine of 4 degree 19 minute. Similar manner, we can find out the next one, sine 14 degree 29 minute also. So for that, I will display here the table of this means 14 degree. You can see now. Now you try to find out sine of this 14 degree 29 minute. Now you can see here. So this is 14 degree. So 29. So we are not getting 29. Here we get 24 and 30 we get. So we can do one thing here. So we can see 24 plus 5 is the 29. So in a line of 14, under this 18, sorry, not 18, under this 24. So under this 24 and under this 5 in a same line. In a same line, this under 5. These two numbers we have to add, this number and this number. Now you can see here, this is 2487. You can see this number 2487 plus this 14. So I can write it here 2487 plus 14. So 11 here, 9, 10, 1. So 2501. So it is coming 2501. 2501. So 0.2501 is the natural sine of this number 14 degree 29 minute. So in that way you can find out natural sine of any number by using this natural sine table. And you note one thing here. In this table, all the numbers are in fraction, means 0 point something. So you can see here 0 point, 0 point, 0 point. Because you already know that sine of 90 is a maximum and it is 1. Sine 90 is 1. For other angles, sine is 0 point something or 0. So that you have to remember here. I hope everyone understood this. If you understood this natural sine, we have to go for the natural cosine, which is nearly similar. In similar way, we have to find out natural cosine of any angle also. Now you can see a natural cosine table. Or before the natural cosine, let we learn the natural means sine inverse also. Now just we learn sine of something, sine of the angle. Now how to find out sine inverse? Now let's see some examples. Sine inverse of 0.2842. How to find out sine inverse of this number? Now for that, this natural sine table is displayed here. Now in this natural sine table, we have to search this number 0.2842. So all the numbers are in point. So 2842 we have to search. Now you can see here 2842. So here 2840 is there. So the number which is equal to 2842 or closer to this. Closer means slightly lesser number we have to find out here, less than that. So 2840 is the number. So it is in the line of 16 degree. Under this 30 minute, we can get this one. How much is less for 2842? 2. So if we go straight in a same line, we have to find out 2. 2 is not there, but we can take 3 also. We can take 3 is there. So it is below this 1 degree. So we can write the answer for this is a 16 degree. And this 30 plus this 1, 31 minute approximately. If you are not getting an exact difference number, then we can search near about. So here the answer for this one is 16 degree 31 minute. Or you can write directly 16 degree 30 minute also, or 16.5 degree also. Now this is the answer for the first one. Now similar manner, we have to find out the sine inverse of 0.5235. Now let's see. Now you can see here this table. Now in that, we have to search this number 5235. So 5235, we have to find out or less than that. So you can see here 5225. So 5225 is there. So this number 5225 is in the line of 31. So you can see this number. It is in the line of 31. Under this again 30. So under 30. Now how much is less for 5235? 10 is the less. Then we have to go in a straight line and we have to find out is the 10 is present. 10 is present. So here you can see 10. So it is written below this 4 minute. So the answer for this one is 31 degree. This 30 plus 4, 34 minute. So this is the answer for this sine inverse of 0.5235. Similar manner, we find out the last one also. And the last one is, you can see here, sine inverse of 0.9852. Now, 0.9852. So 9851 I can see here. So in a line of 80, 9851 in a line of 80 under this 6. So how much is short for the given number 1? So we have to go straight and we have to search the difference 1. So 1 is there. This 1 is written below this 2. So the answer for this question is 80 degree and this 6 plus 2, 8 minute. So 80 degree, 8 minute is the answer for this angle sine inverse of 0.9852. I hope everyone understood how to find out sine inverse also. Sine and sine inverse we learn. Similar manner cos and cos inverse we have to learn. Tan inverse also we have to learn. So we proceed for the next one and it is natural cosine. Now natural cosine. So you can see a natural cosine table. Again, the first column is degree, angle. So this is angle, 0 degree, 1 degree, 2 degree, and so on. And this is in minute, 0 minute, 6 minute, 12 minute. This is in again degree, 0.1 degree, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, and so on. The table is similar. Now we have to find out sine, cos of few angles. So let's see some examples. You can see first example here, cos of 4 degree 19 minute. I have taken here the same example which we taken in the last. So again, in the same way, we have to find out. So here you can see here a table 4 in a line of 4 under this 18 and 18 plus 1 is the 19. So under 18 and under 1, we have to search the number. Now you can see here, this is under 18 and under this 1, it is written 0. So this number and this number. Now listen here, when we are finding natural cosine, you can see word here. What word you can see here? It is written subtract. Subtract means main difference we have to subtract. Now here, so how to see? So cos of 4 degree 19 minute means 9972 minus this, it is 0. So 9972. So 9972 and all the numbers are in fractions. So 0.9972. You can see a point before the first number. So here we get answer 0.9972 for 4 degree 19 minute. Similar way, we can take the next example also. In the next example, we have to find out 14 degree 29 minute. Where to see? In a line of 14 under 28. 28 plus 1 is the 29. So under 28 and 1 that we have to subtract, that you remember. Now see here, 14 in a line of 14 under 20 under 24, sorry, under 24 we have to see, not 28. So under 24 this number is written and under 24 plus 5 is the 29. So under 5 you can see in the same line it is written 4. So here 9686 minus 4. So 9682 is the answer. So 9682 and 0 point. So this is the answer for cos of this 14 degree 29 minute. So listen, you remember one thing here, mean difference we have to subtract here in the natural cosine table. Now after that, the next one is cos of 34 degree and 18 minute. Now how to find out this? In a line of 34 and under 18 you can directly see. So 34, you can see here, this is line of 34 under 18. This is a 18 and in the same line 8261. So 0.8261. So that you have to remember. Only the thing is, in the same way, in a natural sine table, we are adding the mean difference and here we are subtracting the mean difference, that you have to remember. Now after that, we have to learn cos inverse also. You can see a number, cos inverse of 0.9852. Now you can see this number 9852 and a number slightly greater than this. In a natural sine table, we are searching a number which is less than. So here a number we have to search which is greater than, because mean difference we have to subtract. Now see here 9852 or slightly greater. It is 9854 and we have to subtract 2. So in the same line 2 is there. So here you can see 9 degree and this 48 plus 4 means 52 minute is the answer. So here the answer for this one is 9 degree 52 minute. So this is the answer. Now after that, next one, cos inverse of 0.7035. Now we have to search a number which is equal to this or slightly greater than this. So 0.7035, greater than that is, you can see 7046 and we have to subtract 11. So you can see here 10 is there. So 45 degree, this 12 plus this 5. 12 plus 5 is 17 minute. So this is the answer for this one. Similar manner, the last one is 0.0542. We have to search a number equal to 0.0542 or slightly greater than that. So 5.0542. You can see this number. So this number is 54, means 0454 and it is greater by 2. So it is here 3 is written. So answer is 87 degree. This is 24 plus 1. 24 plus 1 is 25 minute. So this is, we require 2, but 2 is not there. We can select a 3 also. So here we get answer 87 degree, 24 plus 1 is 25 minute. So this is the cos inverse. So listen. So this is the cos inverse. I hope you understood this. Now after that, we have to see the natural tangentals. So natural tangent table. You can see this is the natural tangent table. Now this is the first column is degree. Now in that 0 degree, 1 degree, 2 degree up to 89. But you can see up to this 45, every number is 0 point something. But at 45, you know that tan 45 is 1, everyone know. So after 45, the numbers start with 1. Now when we are going below, as this angle increases, then maybe tan of that angle, maybe 2 point is coming, then 3 point is coming. You have to see this, refer this first column. So after this tan 45, tan 45 is 1, tan 46 is 1 point something is coming, tan 47 is also 1 point something. But if you see the tan 87, then this is 19 point something. So you know that tan 90 is infinity. Okay. Now basically, so here tan of the angle goes on increasing. But in natural sine and natural cosine, everything is 0 point. Means we are finding up to this 0 degree to 89 degree, and all the numbers are 0 point. But in the natural tangent table, you can see a number 0 point something, 1 point something, 2 point something, 3 point something also. So when you are finding a tangent, so that you have to be careful. Now let me find out. Let me find out the natural tangent of few angles. Now see here. So if you want to find out tan of this 46 degree and 19 minute, then how to find out? This 46 under 18 and plus 1, 18 plus 1 is 19. So this is number written, and this is under 1 is 6. It is 0, 4, 6, 4 plus 6. So it is coming 0470, 0470, and this start with 1 point. So 1.0447 is the tan of this 46 degree 19 minute. In similar manner, you can find out tan inverse also. Means this natural tangent table is similar to the natural sine. Only the thing is here, maybe 1 point may be the answer. If the answer, if you want to find out tan inverse of, so 1.1224. So this is a number whose tan inverse you have to find out. Now we have to search this number or a slightly less than that. So 1 point. So we have to find out this 1 point means below the 45 we have to find out 1224, 122. Here you can see exactly we get the same number. So 48 degree and 18 minute. So the answer is 48 degree 18 minute. This is the answer for this one. So in similar manner, you can find out. So here you have to remember main difference we have to add, similar to the natural sine table. So here we are not taking a more example for the natural tangent because it is similar to the natural sine table. I hope you like this video. If you really like, then don't forget to press like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you.